Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today we're opening up one of my favorite snack subscriptions, Variety Fun. Huge box full of snacks. So Variety Fun, obviously, it's a snack subscription. They offer 2 different subscription plans as well as 2 different shipping frequencies. So today we're opening up the Fun Box, and in the Fun Box you get 40 classic snacks and it's $24.99 a month. And I do have a code that's non-affiliated to save 30% off your first box. So I'm going to link them down below, and I will leave that code on the screen and down below as well if you're interested in subscribing. That code will work for both plans. The other plan option is the Fit Box. You get less snacks, it's 30 snacks, but they're considered more healthier snacks, and that one is $39.99 per month or per box before the discount. So you can either choose to get this box every 2 weeks or every 4 weeks, and I think it is just so great. It keeps snacks in the pantry, you don't have to leave your house. I don't know about you, but I don't really like going out to the store these days, and I know like some kids are going back to school soon, stuff like that, even if you're just homeschooling and stuff, and you know, there's gonna be snacks for lunchtime. So I just love this, and I am making the mistake probably, well not mistake, but I haven't eaten yet today, and I'm really hungry, so I'm probably gonna have a lot of snacks after this, but let's get it open. While I open it, I'm just going to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel, so if you love subscription boxes as much as I do, then I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. It would mean so much to me. When I open the box, this is what it looks like. And yeah, now I'm going to show you my 40 snacks. First up, we have Popcorners. This is their sweet and salty kettle corn. These are really good. I'm probably gonna say that about every single thing if I've tried it. And then we have Pop Chips in the barbecue flavor. We have another Popcorners in white cheddar. Nabisco vanilla wafers. Keebler Chips Deluxe Mini, the rainbows. This is every time. I just love cookies. They're my favorite snack. There's such a good mix in here. So next we have Fruit Gushers. These always remind me of being a kid. I see another pack here, so I'll grab those. Oh, I see a couple Fruit Gushers. So here's one, and these are in strawberry. And then we have 1 or 2 that are in the tropical fruit flavor. Yay, we have Grandma's cookies here, the vanilla wafer cookies, or what do you call these? Just vanilla sandwich cream cookies. These are so good. I love Grandma's cookies. Oh, I see another type. So these are like more hard cookies with cream filling. And then we have the Grandma's Oatmeal cookies. These are softer, and there's a pack of 2 in here. Traditional Chex Mix. Cheez-It with the Scrabble Junior letters on there, so you can have a snack and make some words. Great learning activity and super fun too. Honey Made Little Squares. Oh, I think this is the first time I've gotten these in the box. As the name of the subscription suggests, every month there is a variety of snacks, which I think is great. You'll get some things the same, but a lot different, and they like rotate. Ooh, I love this. Pirate's Booty Aged White Cheddar. We have another Cheez-It Scrabble Junior. 2 packs here of the Keebler Fudge Stripe Minis, an original. Oh, I got these last month for the first time. They're so good. This is by the Pure Sweetness Baking Company. These are the iced oatmeal mini cookies. Ooh, yay, my favorite type of Grandma's cookies, chocolate brownie. And I really have a sweet tooth for chocolate. Totally hits the spot. The Pure Sweetness Baking Co. Chocolate Chip Mini Cookies. We have a Blue Raspberry Airhead. A Quaker Chewy Bar and Peanut Butter Chocolate Chip. Vanilla Wafer mini cookies. More grandmas. Oh my gosh, we have like every flavor this month. Yay! So we have peanut butter, and then chocolate chip, second favorite I would say, and then another oatmeal. Oh yeah, there's still a decent amount left. I'm trying to grab anything I see duplicates of. We have, looks like 3 fruit roll-ups and 2 in strawberry flavor, and then tropical tie-dye. I don't think I've gotten these in a box before. This reminds me of being a kid so much. Ritz crackers and cheesy dip. Keebler bite-sized cookie mini M&Ms. It's gonna be hard enough to go straight for the cookies after this. Another Cheez-It Scramble Junior. Oh my god, this was my favorite type of Airhead when I was a kid. The mystery, so white mystery. So fun. 2 more granola bars. This one is dark chocolate chunk. Or they're both dark chocolate chunk. Black Forest, So Juicy So Good organic gummy bears. Not sure I've tried this kind before. Fig Newtons. I feel like when I was little I didn't like the Fig Newtons, but now they've really grown on me. I think they're so good. We have a little pack here of Ritz peanut butter flavored filling cracker sandwiches. 2 more packs of fruit Gushers, 1 in strawberry, or both in strawberry. Wow, we got a lot of fruit Gushers this month, like 5. I feel like that's good because if you do have kids, I feel like that'd be a competitive item to get. And last but not least, we have the Laura Dune, is that how you say it? Yeah, Lorna Dune Shortbread Cookies. This will always remind me of residency. They sold these in the cafeteria and I was vegan then. These are vegan. No one really knows that because they don't like taste vegan and they're so good. But yay, that was everything. I love Variety Fun. You get so many snacks for a good price, I think, and I love that you can customize a plan to your liking. So yeah, I would love to know your thoughts down below. If you were me, what snack would you have first? Anyways, thank you guys. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, I almost forgot. Before we go, I just want to take a moment and say thank you so much to my channel members. You guys are amazing. I love you so much, and I appreciate you. So I'm probably filming this a few days before I am posting. But I will leave an updated photo with all of your names here. You guys are truly the best. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.